Dr. Kiran Virat. I am the chairman for Sukin Healthcare India. Majorly we have an operation in Africa, in the Middle East and in Singapore. I headed a company called Evans Medical, which is a Glaxo Group UK. Now you can call it is GSK. Our major mission is that we want the product to be very, very affordable for the common people. So we launched Ayurveda range in India in 2012, and from that time company is working leap and bound, and we have a much better spread in India for Ayurvedic medicine. The major product which we targeted are majorly Ayurvedic range, where we have not competed with any Indian companies. We always try to compete with the major American producers. So our packaging and our presentation is very international. We have added few more very innovative range of products. In 2005, when I was in US, we identified a product called gummies for kids, and this product we brought to India. Initially we were importing from US, but nowadays we are getting it manufactured in India, and price is very competitive. So most of the parents can afford to buy this product for their kids, and this is a very, very good product. Majorly during in the kids, they are not very positive to take tablets or capsule or syrup, and they always prefer to eat something like a sweet or candies type. That is why this product is very successful, and the demand is growing day by day. We have a plan to introduce this product also to the midday meal with the government. So this is one of the area we are working for. After that, we thought to bring more product in Nutra range, and we brought a product called iRecharge. Now this is the first time in India we brought this product from US. This product also I was following since 2005, and we tried to introduce this product in Africa. And when I brought it to India, it was very difficult to really build up what kind of a packaging we should use, because in US they are using capsules and tablets and all that. But we were looking for a very simple way of administration for Indian population. So we make a pouch pack which is good for one day diet, one day dose, and which effectively worked for the Indian market. And the product is very popular in gym and also for the geriatric people, and it is a very, very innovative product. Recently we have introduced the product called iProtect. This is a water-based sanitizer cum disinfectant. We were talking to an American company to bring their technology to India, and after 2 years of negotiation and working, we were successful to bring this product to India. And this is the product which is 100% safe, very natural. It does not create any negative impact on the skin of human, animal, or even for the environment. It is 100% safe product, and it is called, the base product is a hypochlorous acid solution, which in fact our body is also making when there is a need to fight with any pathogen in the body. So this is a very natural product. Product is very safe. It can also be used as a sanitizer. It can be used as a multi-surface disinfectants. You can also use it for skin repair, especially the people who have a diabetic and who has got an ulcer, diabetic ulcer, and who has got something like a serious burn skin. This product can repair their skin very, very effectively and in a very, very short time. This product is also inspired for using in Ayurveda as a Jal Niti process. So it has got a similar kind of effect as we use the salted water for Jal Niti. This product can also be used as a gargle. So it has got a multi uses. It is a one product in a different concentration you can use for multi-purpose, and that is why this product is very unique. This product we brought to India to practically replace alcohol-based sanitizers, which are not very suitable for the human skin, and there's a lot of cases for cancer and other skin disease now reporting because of excessive use of alcohol-based sanitizers. It is also going to replace the hypochlorous acid, hypochlorite, because that product is also not very safe for human body. It is very corrosive, and it affects the lungs and body of the human being. So that product is also going to be replaced by our iProtect, which is a hypochlorous acid solution. Let us take Ayurvedic range, which is our Veda Magic range. The product's efficacy is very, very good, and that is the first concern we always look at. Any Ayurvedic product which we introduce in the market, it must have a good efficacy. When there is a good efficacy, it creates belief and trust in your product, and then people come to buy and use your product on a regular basis. So we have a range of product which is coming in the anti-stress range. We have got for liver tonics, we have got the heart tonics. We have got the product for sleep, because there are a lot of cases of insomnia in India. So we have got a product for blissful sleep. We have got a product especially for the female that is called eye figure. So it is majorly to keep them in shape. We also have some more product in female section, which is called Women Essential, where there is a product for regulating the menstruation period for women, anti-pause. So these products are also very popular and working very effectively. We have got a product for joint pain, which is a common disease, common problem in India, which has got a very good results, and people are very happy with the product. We are adding more variant, more dosage form in this segment. So we have got capsules, we have got creams, ointments, and then we are also adding some roll-ons and all that. So we have got a big range of product. Not to mention, we also have got some product for men, for sexual enhancement. We also have a very, very important good product for men, where there is because of the today's environment and habits of people, their sperm counts goes very low. So we have a product called Spermax, which improves the sperm counts for men, and which is a very, very effective popular product with us. Okay, the first thing which we always look at, the efficacy of the product. Because if the product is not good and efficacy is not good, people are not going to benefit out of it, and there will not be a repetitive uses. So first thing for us is majorly the efficacy of the product. We use the product for efficacy. Definitely there is a commercial interest, but that comes secondly. So that is why our products full range is very good, and we have got a good efficacy for each and every product, and these are all proprietary medicines. See, we have got both kind of a range of product. We have got a OTC range of product, which is majorly the nutritional range, where the gummies and iRecharge and these products are coming. But Ayurveda range is majorly we promote through the doctors. But we have a good team of sales people, sales representatives. They visit the doctors, they visit the hospitals, and they do detailing of the products, and then we promote through the doctors. See, we have a lot of schemes. We have got a lot of promotional activities. We do digital marketing. We also do online promotions, online sales at major portals like Amazon, Flipkart and all that. And we always want to give the best product on a very competitive price. And that is one of our vision, our commitment, that we want to offer the best medicine on an affordable price. That is our strategy all through. For reseller, we want that they should have a serious good trust with us. We will never pull them down. We will always give them a best product on a very good affordable price, and we will keep them floating always. We promote our product. We also invite and give a good bonus programs. We give them incentive programs. We also give them a good margins to associate and work with us. And surely we always follow the ethical processes, which also help the company and them to stand and work for a much more longer period, longer time. We have already brought a lot of good products. We want to bring and make those products available and successful in this market. And during this process, we are going to also use a lot of other sectors where this product can be put and used. So wellness center is also one of the area where we want to put this product. We also have some plans, not now but little later, that we are also going to open some wellness centers so people can get benefited out of our products and our knowledge. We always say that we want to become the best life science company in the world, not only in India. So that is our vision, which we follow on a regular basis.